Alright, welcome back to our channel, mommies. We are going to be doing a curly hairstyle today, and the hairstyle is also very versatile, so you'll be able to change it up, switch it up however you want. Makes it a lot mommy friendly and easy on her hair as well, and it's just fun and something that she wanted, so we gave it a try. We're going to be using Flexi rods that you can pick up from any beauty supply store in your area. Then you'll be able to use these alligator clips to section off the hair. We got them from the Dollar Tree, I believe. Some bandos also from the Dollar Tree. And then freshly blown out hair. Well, this is actually a week old of freshly blown out hair. And we also did a little flat ironing. It was a lot straighter than this, but this is after a week's worth from using the keratin conditioner that we have and argan oil shampoo. So definitely want to pick those up if you're planning on blowing some hair out. Okay, so now we're going to be using this very busted up comb that I have. It's one that we've had and passed down for generation to generation, and my husband said we need to get a new comb, so we did after this video. But it's funny because So anyways, now we're going to section off the hair into 4 sections. Using the bandos, it helps us to keep the hair sectioned off a lot easier than those alligator clips because they're not that strong. So we got them in 4 sections right now. We're going to now use the Khlovahair Old Fashioned Scalp and Conditioning grease. Now I say grease and people go, oh my god, I can't use grease. This is absolutely an amazing moisturizer for the scalp. You'll be able to notice that it helps to keep that dry itchiness down, because I've also used it on my hair as well, especially when you're using heating tools. It dries the scalp out, everything just gets all flaky or whatnot. This helps to keep that shiny, moisturized, soft, smelling good, because these products smell like heaven. You can like literally when you open it, before you can open the package, it seems like I smelled it. It smells so good, but maybe I'm blaming that on my pregnant nose. So anyways, I'm now going to section the hair off into 4 sections. The reason why I'm doing that, if your daughter has thicker hair, or son, or whomever you'll be doing this style on, if the hair is thicker, you want to make sure you break it down as much as you can in order to get the scalp moisturized, because thick hair sometimes it doesn't penetrate very well, and then you're left with unmoisturized hair, which is called breakage and all that. So definitely want to make sure you moisturize the hair. And then after we moisturize, we're going to massage it into the scalp, just giving it a little heat with your natural, friction of your fingers. Now we're just going to detangle again, making sure that everything is nice and laid smooth, so when we put it into the ponytail, we'll be able to get a nice pretty curl. Here we'll be using the Castor&Licorice Dense Moisturizing Cream. It has castor and olive fusion with nettle leaf, burdock root, and licorice root. It comes in an 8 fluid ounce bottle, and I believe the price on this was $12 to $15. You just want to evenly distribute the small amount onto dry or wet hair, and you can kind of just style it as desired. So I started from the ends and then kind of worked my way to the root of the hair. And then we'll be using the Curl Defining Cream, which is a rich blend of creamy shea butter, olive oil, and avocado oil, also in an 8 fluid ounce container. So I'm just using a little bit of that on the ends of the hair. We'll just kind of work it through with our detangling brush. That way we get a nice even distribution of product. And then we're going to take our Flexi XOXO rod and we are going to roll the hair up. So let's Flexi rod it on up, okay? I'm using a big pink one. Don't really know the size dimension on these, but they all are different sizes and come in different colors too, so. Here's the finished result of the curls once we took them down. And I'm spinning her because I didn't have her in the chair, so I had to kind of like turn her around with my hands. But this is just the takedown of the Flexi rod. Look how bouncy that Curl Defining Cream makes the hair. It was so cute. Oh my gosh, it was so cute, especially once we took them out of these ponytails and did like the puff. OMG, it was the cutest hairstyle ever. And she loved it even she's in there looking crazy. It was early in the morning before school when we were taking this down, so she wasn't excited.
No, I.
Yes.
No.
Oh my goodness. So daddy.
Hey, if you guys enjoyed our video, please don't forget to leave us some love below. Let us know what you thought about this hairstyle and if you're gonna try it yourself.